The Magic Hat by Mem Fox. It was a fine, fine day in a very peaceful town when a magical hat appeared. It flew through the town and then sat on a man who turned into a toad. The magical hat went flying again through the town and sat on the shopkeeper who turned into a baboon. Once again the magic hat took off and found its way to a sleepy old man, who then turned into a bear. Oh, that magic hat, going places this and that, turning the townsfolk into different animals like the kangaroo. What will the townspeople do? They keep turning into animals. But now someone new comes to town. Is he a friend or a foe? Can he solve their problem? Check out the Magic Hat from the Hoover Library to find out.